Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just made. This right here is 2 boxes, and it's folded from just one sheet of paper. Check this out. See? Isn't that cool? And what's also cool about it is that it spins just like that. Alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 16 square of Origami. So let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. We're going to make an 8x8 grid of generalist creases. So if you know how to do that, then skip to this point. So unfold and fold to the crease. Alright, and now fold this edge to the top. And repeat on this side. Okay, fold this down and fold this up like this. And turn over and fold in half. Okay, now unfold. And now let's reverse all these creases so they're genderless. So make sure the first crease is a valley and the second one's a mountain. So fold on the mountain fold. So 2 up and 1 down, like that. 2 up, 1 down. 2 up, 1 down. And fold in half. Okay. And now repeat that in the other direction. Okay, just like this. Alright, now white side up and fold this up on the second crease. And same here. So we just made that door base. Okay, turn over. And now let's make some diagonal folds. And we're going to fold this edge to here, but don't fold it all the way. Just zoom in so you can see. So just crease on this part right here. Just from there to there. And on this side, crease on that segment right there. Alright, and repeat in the other direction. So fold all layers like this, and fold just on this segment right here, and this segment like that, and repeat on this side. Okay, just like this. And now we're going to take this point and we're going to fold it to that point right there, to the nearest intersection. Like this. And fold this point to here. So we're repeating on this side. Alright, and repeat on this side. Okay, so now we got the pre-creases done, and now let's form the boxes. So, to do that, we're going to make sure that this middle crease right here is a mountain, and the 2 creases by it are valleys. So, let's take this edge and fold on this crease and this crease, like this, so make sure those are valleys. And then now at the corner, right here. Okay, now once you're at the corner right here, fold like that. And then take this flap and fold it down like that. And that's what locks it. And then take this point and fold it over like that. Just like that. And then now repeat right here. Okay, just like that. And now repeat right on this side. So make these mountain folds. And then fold the flap. And same right here. Alright, and now we're almost done. We just need to lock these two flaps right here. And to do that, just take this point and fold it to right there. And same on this side. Take this point and fold it down. Alright, and here it is. The two boxes from one sheet of paper. And yeah, and what's cool about it is that they can spin a little bit like this on a smooth surface. See, just like that. You put something inside them. See? So there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that, and make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.